I'm Dan Pitt from MEF, and I'm reporting here live from MEF 18. It's actually been a great meeting so far. We had some announcements this morning, and we kind of measure ourselves from MEF conference to MEF conference. So it's been a year since we announced MEF 3.0, which is this really transformational framework that encompasses a lot more than carrier Ethernet 2.0 or any single technology did before. And I think we've done a pretty good job of living up to the expectations that we set 1 year ago, and I'm very pleased to see that. What strikes me really more than anything else is that while we talk about digital transformation and the changes that the industry is going through and the telecom service providers and their customers, the enterprises, guess what? We in MEF have been going through that also. When we announced today that we are issuing the Sonata LSO API in both specification form and software form, you have no idea how big a deal that is. We're issuing an SDK and a developer release, which means that the release of the specification is not final. And it won't be final until we get experience back from the software experience that the SDK is going to provide developers. So this notion that we can issue a spec that's not perfect, but iterate on it with the speed of software, that's transformational for us. And we went through quite some discussions inside MEF to agree that we could actually do that. So we have really developed, I think, the first industry instance of a DevOps approach to standards development. So I'm really proud of the organization for being able to do that. And of course, in the year, we have seen how many of the operators and the vendors have embraced what we're doing with the LSO APIs, are implementing them, and will deploy them for these automated services that we think will bring new revenue opportunities for the industry as a whole.